Squad up, happy holidays, my brothers and sisters. Your boy E-Money Sickless on deck. So today's video is a simple video. It's how to set up a simple guppy breeder box, beta breeder box, but this is more for live bearers. I would say I would use. So how to set up a guppy breeder box. So simple, you open it up. This is
Merry Christmas.
Isolation box, as you guys can see in the picture. The fish release the fries, they drop into a little chamber. So let's set this up real quick, y'all. So like in my channel, nothing's easy, so let's just rip this box open. Everything comes in this little plastic bag. So open this up like this. Inside here we got 1, 2. So basically we got these pieces right here. Cups, y'all. So it's pretty simple. We grab the breeder box. Grab this compartment right here. As you guys can see, it has ridges shaped out, so it's pretty simple. You guys can see the cutouts in the corner, and there's some little almost round sections there. You're gonna put that simply like that. As you guys can see, I just simply put it in there and it's already set up. It's pretty simple. You got the suction cups. They go right here on the top, like so. Do it in the other side, like so. This is like the most simplest guppy box you could use. The top piece goes right on top right here, like so. And voila, you have a cool suction cup. Has cool little holes up here where you can feed the fish. And it has cool little strips through here where the water could get through. No flies could get through there though. So yeah, y'all, loving this. I needed to pick this up because I have a few pregnant guppies, and I got other little breeder boxes, but I wanted to get something more simple like this. So I picked up not one, so I picked up 2 of them. Hope I helped you guys how to build a cool, simple guppy breeder box. This one right here is super multifunctional isolation box, divider, breed keeping. So I believe it's made from Waterworld. So yeah, man. So yeah, y'all, if you guys found this video helpful, if you like, make sure you leave a comment, subscribe, share, tell me what you guys think, y'all. Enjoy your holidays. Love is love always, y'all. Remember, peace. Squad up. So yes, my brothers and sisters that I just put together. As you can see, got some beautiful albino koi guppy females. This one has some cool red on the tail up there. I like that little trait on her. These girls are pregnant. I got a little bit of rocks on this one to hold it down since it was coming up, but everything is good. So yeah, man, these are cool breeder boxes if you guys are ever interested. Easy to build, as you guys seen we did it step by step, and they're effective. So stay tuned, y'all. Peace.
I gave you fair warning.